chilly, rainy evening, morning now here in the kingdom, and so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to begin sharing my book collection with you and do some page flipping. And I chose this book in particular because it's one of my favorites, and it's kind of an interactive book, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that in a moment. Now, the tea that we're going to be partaking in is a rose white tea. As you can see, it comes in this little, it's almost a Chinese food takeout container. I don't know if can you hear the rain? Hold on. I hope you can hear that. So this is the tea that we're going to be drinking. And let me show you inside. Inside there is a plastic container, like a plastic wrap. And that is where the tea bags are contained. Okay. And this is what the tea bags look like. The rain is really coming down right now. I hope you can hear that. Now, as you can see, this is kind of like a nice dense paper. It's like, no, let's see. It's got a very nice thickness to it. And the tea is very good. I actually made a cup, and I'm going to be drinking it as we go. Rose white tea. Okay, now as far as the cupcakes go, I got 2 different kinds for you to partake in this evening. I really do hope that you can hear that rain. It's like, it's pouring. Okay. Here are the cupcakes that I got. Okay. Now, first is my favorite. This is lavender. This is a lavender cupcake. It's also my second take on the video, so I don't want you to think that I came here with used cupcake. So, and I'm actually very grateful that this is my second take because the rain wasn't. So, okay. Now I want to show you the consistency of this. It's very, you can tell it's like different than it's more slippery, like, I don't know. You can't see me, but yes, I did just eat that, and I love it. I really love these. Okay. It's so good. It's really good. Now, the second cupcake that I got for us to taste, and I know this kind of like some fun for you because you can't see me eating it, but for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a cupcake band, so yes, you will, yeah, you'll eventually see me at some point. Okay. And this one here. This one here is a cherry vanilla cupcake. is from a place called the Flying Monkey, and I really love the name. There's a history to it. Can you see how it almost melts like where I think it's like a buttercream icing, and it's actually pretty good. The cherry taste. The cherry taste to this almost is like there's a cherry candy mix. Like, I don't say cherry candy, but yeah, there's a good cherry taste to it. I really like it. Okay. Now, on to the book. So here we go. Okay, so I want you to get comfortable now. I want you to find your comfort zone and get into it. Okay, here we go.
My mic is adjusted. I hope you're adjusted. Here's a little more. Let's go for this one. Okay.
Okay, now here we go. Okay, here. It's got these little sugar crystals on the top. Like, there's these like lavender sugar crystals. Can you see it? Hold on.
Right there. Yes, right there. And there. Good.
Hold on.
You hear that? And it is almost like a buttercream icing. It's got this very smoothness to it. It's very good. Okay, now I'm gonna take one more bite and then we'll go. And I know you're probably like, but I can't see you. I know. It's cool.
But you can hear me, so there's that. And then I want to get into this book with you.
Now the cake itself isn't lavender. The cake itself is chocolate. I thought they used to have these in vanilla though. I don't know, maybe they never did. I'm like an icing person anyway. So, whatever. Yeah, so the inside is chocolate, the top is lavender. But, I don't know, for some reason, like I said, I thought they had vanilla. I'm like pondering right now, like as we're speaking. I'm like, did they? I think they did. Okay, well, I'm so sorry. Okay, now, my lovelies. My lovely lovelies. My lovely, 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 lovelies. I want you to lay back. Come on now. Alright? I want you to relax. And you can either watch this or you can listen. This is your time, so
Whatever you want to do, you just go ahead and do it. And just make sure you're comfortable doing it.
okay. Alright. Thank goodness that dragon finally shut up. Wow. Laughing. But I'll tell you what happened. Is I'm in a different area, and like I said, this is actually not. I took a couple takes because. Let's get into the book. Don't worry about it. You needn't worry about anything. This is your time. Okay, so I hope you're comfortable and you're laid back and relaxing. And if you should hear that again, that's just the dragon purring. Okay? That's what I want you to think of. Okay, now let's open this book up. I'm gonna get a sip of tea. If that's okay with you. You should take this time to grab something. If you want something to drink, go ahead and go get one. Go get now, and then come back and get yourself nice and comfortable. Because I know sometimes you kind of lay down and you're chilling and you're like, shit, I should have gotten something to drink. Okay, but you should go do that now because here we go. Okay, forget about the day's worries, forget about all your troubles. You're here now, and that's what's important. Okay. Really, as I always tell you, there's nothing you can do about it now, and the best thing that you can actually do is get a good night's sleep. Okay, so get listen to the rain, listen to my voice, relax in your pillow with
this is, because I mean, you're probably looking, being like, what is on the front of that?
This book is... Okay, here you go. It is Ripley's. And it is the search for drunken heads and other curiosities. And I love curiosities and oddities. And I know that some of you are like, oh, you know, I like the freak show of the circus. I know. And like, everybody's like so politically correct. It's like, no, I can't believe you like that. But, you know, I'm not just like, I think as far as that goes, like, you know, those people read about it before you judge, because some of them are quite wealthy. And if it weren't for that circus scene, it might not have turned out too well. And anyway, alright, I just want to start, you know, sharing what I like and not having to worry about, okay, that aspect of it. So, you know, that's how I feel. I also like the carnival freak shows, like when you go there. I know it's probably now politically incorrect to call them that or whatever, but that's in fact what they're called. And you can go to these really like, I don't know if any of you've ever been, but you know, these carnivals like in the fall, and you know, the leaves are falling off the trees and the air smells like cotton candy and candy apples and popcorn, and you can hear the rides in full swing. And at these particular places, these carnivals, these quote-unquote freak shows, they're not even real. It's like, it'll be like, they're kind of funny, because it'll be like alligator lady, and it's really not alligator lady. It's like a lady with a, like, wearing half an alligator suit or something. There are some that are like really bad. It's just like, but you ever see something that's so bad, it goes like really, really bad, and then back to good again. You're like, that is just so fucking bad. Like, that's so bad. That's actually good. I don't know. You know, it's all in good fun, but I like this stuff, and this is who I am. So, if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new here, hello, warriors and warrior princesses. You know I love you. Okay. So, here's what we got going for right now tonight. Alright, I just opened the book, as you can see. This is what I meant by interactive. Okay, see right here, you got like this right here, like this. And it actually opens up. And it's got this right inside, and it's like an actual like, it's an actual passport. You know what I'm saying? Interactively. And then on this side, we have, let me get you in here, kids. Cause I love ya. Cause I love ya. Okay, there you go. Now, there's this envelope here, which I've never opened. And then there's this. This is also, see? I have a Stephen King. I also have a Stephen King book like this that I can share with you. I'd love to share with you. It's really good though, okay? And these pages are actually quite dense, as you can see. Okay, so this is like the, okay, and there we go. Now, so you're not, okay, it's not gonna be like a page turning, but I promise to give you one of those. But this one I thought was like really perfect, like just rainy and chilly and that sort of thing, and cupcakes and tea. Okay. Now here's another. Let me see how this one works. This, let me see. It does something. I'm sure of it. Can you see? It's like, I don't know. Like it looks like it should lift somehow, but I can't see. Well, this is probably ASMR for you guys watching me, like. I don't know. I haven't. Oh wait. Hold on. Oh no. Maybe it doesn't do anything at all. Maybe it's just dimensional. Yeah, because it's not lifting anything. Yeah. Alright, now that's it. Oh, there it goes. I got it. Here you go. Alright. So it just kind of, it is just kind of like a You know, like it flips like this. Okay. So I guess it really doesn't, it's done. Okay, and then this is just some photographs and imagery, some pictures. I'm sure you can see. I hope you can see. I'm trying to, there you go. And, we'll be doing some readings too, but for now, we're just gonna, because the interactive books are, you know, so, okay, now there's this here. Then this opens up and you can see images inside of this, and alright, there's some kind of fish on there. Oh, what is that? What is that? Shoot, is that coffee beans? I think that's coffee beans. Can you see it? Oh yeah, there you go. And there's this here, which this is a 40-foot high anthill. Huh, that's pretty cool. I mean, like in real life, like it would probably be pretty like whoa, you know, seeing it in the book. It's so small here, but I mean, like seeing it like in real life, like a 40-foot high anthill. Seriously, that would be crazy. Warriors, you've probably seen one on your missions quest. Which I have a quest coming up for you guys too, you know, so get excited. Not now though, not now. No excitement for you. Right now you're supposed to be relaxing, so do that. Okay, let's see. What is that? Azula is crowing. Oh, that must be like that they're talking about. This headpiece here. So, okay, see, that doesn't look comfortable to me at all. Can you see this? This is a person that has, look at, you see that right there? That's around the ankles. I'm uncomfortable just looking at that because it looks like there's a woman sitting, okay? And it's like, it looks like two tambourines. Like, I'm not even kidding. Let me adjust my mic a little bit better for you guys, okay? And we're just gonna bring it right, there you go. This way when I think, there you go, that's much nicer for you. And what I'm gonna do, since my mic was like not adjusted the way I would have liked it to be, I mean it's okay, it's fine, but I want to give you this experience possible, so we're gonna do this one a little bit longer for you. What is that? A TT fly. Oh, that's a TT fly right there. What is that? Just a little piece of tape? I don't know. That's pretty cool. No, not really. I think TT flies are bad, aren't they? What do they do? You know, I've heard the term TT fly. TT. I don't know why that might. I feel like, I don't know. It reminds me of boob. TT fly. Okay, I have a dirty mind, I guess. Alright, now this, can you see this? This is like, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to get it to you. There you go. That is a really long word. It's micro. I'm not even trying. That's a whole word right there. And I don't think that it's within. You probably have to be on laptop or PC to see that. But that is a long word. It's like micro. Oh wait, microstomachithil, oborus, bass. Have 4 Dean. I was close. That's a big word. And probably it would probably be easier for me to read if it wasn't upside down for me. You, my dear warriors and warrior princesses, are at a total advantage. So, we're going to, let's see, go on to the next page. I'm gonna get more books like this. Are you having fun? You're probably, I don't know. Like, I'm having fun, so, yeah. What is this? Okay, that's something left out. Okay, on to the next page. Oh, now you, be he. Okay, now this is pretty cool. This is obviously, you know, Egypt. We're now in Egypt. What is this? It's like a, yeah. And, alright, let's see what this is. I told you, I haven't been in here in such a long time, like, the last time. I don't want to talk about last time. Oh, look. Oh, that's pretty cool. So and it tells you stuff inside of here, too. So, you know what, I should come back and, like, do a read. Hold on, can you see? Let me show you. Okay, so it goes like this. And then it opens. And then it has King Tut Amazing Discovery. And it has this in there, which is cool, too. Do you do anything? Are we being greedy? No, guys, it does. Look. Oh, wow. So you got like a couple different, hold on. How do they go? Like that, like that, like that. Okay, so I guess this is outside. And then, I don't know. Inside? Oh, so when you open the tomb, that was in there. And then when you open that, am I saying that right? Yeah, and then that would be the mummy inside. Oh, wow. They get a lot of stuff to it. I didn't know that there was like 4 levels to it. You see what I'm saying? So there was the tomb, and then the next layer, right? And then, what was this? I guess this was like, I don't know. But then you can tell that that's the mummy part. That's pretty cool. Oh, it tells you on the back. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to come back and read this. Because this way, and then you'll understand, like, oh yeah, that's the mummy thing. And so if you don't watch this, then you'll be out of the loop. And ouch. Okay. Now, well, this here, I saw this before. Now this I do remember is it was something about like during the plague of flies, it caused women to use makeup. So it's like the ancient Egyptians made up their eyes as protection against flies, not to beautify. Huh. What? Is that everybody or just like the people? Because you know sometimes it's different with royalty than it is other people. Okay. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Now here, check this out. This is interactive as well. This is the first calendar. Oh, was the Great Pyramid. Did you know that? Because I didn't know that. Okay, check it out. Wow. Isn't it cool? That's cool. I didn't know that the first calendar was the pyramid. I had no idea. Yeah, the first calendar was the Great Pyramid. I did not know that. So here's what we're going to do, because I see that we are half an hour into this, so I was having so much fun I hadn't even realized I did not know. We're only 2 pages into this. I really want to finish this. I want to come back and I want to make this book a thing. I want us to get through it because like I said, I haven't been into it for a while, and I'd really appreciate you going through it with me. And I would love to share my books with you and my things with you. I would love that so much. Thank you if you're watching this right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. As you can see, this book is I don't want that to make any weird noise, you know. Okay, this book, we have a lot to go. We are 2 pages in, and I really do want to go through this book. I think we'll have a lot of fun. I do. really, you know what? It was actually kind of a scary thing for me to open this book, because the last time I opened it, like I said, I don't want to talk about it, but it's a very cool book, and now that I'm into it with you, I want to go further, and it's a little bit like, you know, this is foreplay, you know. It didn't sound that way though. I think I have 30 minutes tonight. This is like the second. Earlier it was the TT fly, and now this. But, you know, I don't know, it just didn't really sound that way to me. You know, now that I'm into this, yeah, I want to go a little bit further. I want to go in all the way. I want to go further. Okay, yeah. I don't know what's going on. It's this tea. You should get it. Okay. So, seriously though, I want to go into this further with you, and I want to, like, finish it, you know? So I think that it's something that we should do together, because I would really appreciate it if you went through it with me. I would appreciate it a lot, like a lot. So what I would like you to do right now is I would like you to close your eyes, and we're going to do this book, and we're going to come back, and we're going to make this a thing. I love reading. I have a book collection of probably, I stopped collecting them when things happen. Like I said, it's but I was collecting books for a while. I have about 150 hardcover books, and as some of you know, I wrote a book, and I have these wicker baskets full of these true crime books. I like reading, and I like reading. I think I have a very interesting collection, especially for the people that follow me, you know, that are subscribed to my channel. I think that you'll have an interest in these things, and I think that we can have a lot of fun going through it. So I would really appreciate it, and I would love to have you guys read with me and hang out, and you know, I'm really excited about going through this. Oh, you know what? I forgot to show you that. And I was kind of scared, because I was like, is this gonna make me aggressive? But look. Well, no, if you got your eyes closed, don't look. I'll just tell you. It's killer bee honey. It's killer bee honey. Now, the thing is, when I got it, I actually was a little bit concerned. I was like, not concerned, like, I was just like, I was seriously like this. Is it gonna make me aggressive? Whatever. Okay, so, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's actually some of the sweetest honey I have ever had. That's very good. I take buckwheat honey, and that's kind of like a really strong, but and I also like wildflower honey. I like orange blossom honey. Oh, blueberry. Oh, that's a good word. Blueberry honey. So, I stated earlier. Oh, but I wanted to share that too, because I don't know if one of you have ever had killer bee honey before. So, if you haven't, go ahead. It's actually very delicious. So, what I'm trying to do here is, as I told you back in October, when my sink exploded, and then I came back in the heat and all that. Now that we have the holidays are out of the way, all the wrinkles are ironed out from January, the Super Bowl is over. For some of you, you were able to upload like right after. I couldn't. I still have parade to get through. Tomorrow, there's a parade. So, you know, it's like kind of hanging on here a little bit. But what I want to do is I want to start making videos like this, you know, to kind of hop in and share a little bit of my life with you, and in addition to the trigger videos and the roleplay videos, I want to share with you videos, okay? And so that's what tonight's video is, and there's going to be other videos like this as well, because I really enjoyed this. I enjoyed this a lot, probably maybe even more than you. And so I want to do more. So this book is going to be something that we do together. And as I told you so far, I have role plays coming up. Many role plays. My role plays, I have so many role plays coming up that at times what happens is I actually get a little bit confused as I'm like, okay, you know, what should I do next, and where can I take this character? Like, I have a video. I have a role play that is it's partially shot, so you guys are you're ready to go. Yeah, so I got this coming up for you. So hang tight, my lovies, and hang tight, and my cat is like over here. I want to figure out what I know. Meow at me. Stop. Come here. Alright, so yeah, so hang tight, my lovelies. We have lots of stuff coming up. Role plays, trigger videos, etc. And more of this because I had so much fun doing it. And I hope you had as much fun as I did. I hope that at this point you're relaxed. You're just closing your eyes. Okay? And a lot of you have requested the count thing. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna count backwards from 25. And I'm just going gently. Just some little hand movements here. And we're going to put you to sleep. 25. 24. 23. 22. 21. 29. 28. 27. 26. 25. 24. 23. 22. 21. 20.
sweet dreams.